Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: device model, latest OS, iCloud signed in, and two-factor authentication active. Once done, make sure you have time and a charged battery. Apple Intelligence setup can prompt downloads. Next, open Settings, then tap your name to confirm iCloud Plus storage is adequate. From there, go to Settings, Siri, and Search or System, Settings, Apple Intelligence, depending on platform, and tap to begin enrollment, so the device can process local personalization and cloud enhancements. You now enable and configure the feature. Toggle Apple Intelligence and grant the specific permissions it requests for Mail, Messages, Photos, and Siri. As you proceed, select whether to prioritize on device processing or a hybrid cloud model. This affects latency and privacy. Then customize behavior. Set writing tone, preferred knowledge sources, and any domain filters. Make sure to review suggested shortcuts and integrations. They streamline workflows. Finally, allow background indexing, so Intelligence can build a personalized model within hours. You finish by verifying everything works. Ask a contextual question, request an email summary, and review suggested text drafts. If responses seem generic, let indexing run longer and use more example prompts to teach style. If setup stalls, reboot the device, confirm Wi-Fi and iCloud sync, and temporarily disable VPN or firewall software. Make sure diagnostics are allowed when contacting Apple support. Provide OS version, device model, and timestamps. One troubleshooting tip: clear stalled indexing by signing out of iCloud then back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.